evidence your intention is to make a right turn. If they see they're straight, then they might confuse that, thinking you're going to go straight, even though you have your signal on.
Okay. That makes sense.
Also, by angling your wheels, it's less likely you'll turn too wide. Right turn here. Nice. Do you like driving?
Yeah, actually, I really do.
Yeah, it's fun.
I've been enjoying it. So
That's good. That's half the battle.
yeah.
I do get a few people who just really couldn't care less. It's just a practical thing. We're going to turn left here. Most people do enjoy it, though.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I didn't feel that little kickback.
Oh, sorry, I must have rolled there.
Yeah,
That was
there we go.
You're rolling, so
There we go. That's good. That's a full legal stop. It's easy to not notice that, at first.
Yeah.
And then we're going to turn left at the stop sign.
Okay.
With each turn of the steering wheel, feel a sense of ease and confidence building within you.
That's a textbook stop and left turn, right on. Looks like you're going to make my job easy there, Tyler.
I sure hope so. If I
Yep.
can make it easier for you, that's good.
And then the first street left turn, right before those yellow signs there.
Ease and confidence. Ease and confidence. Ease and confidence. Ease and confidence.
Okay, so now we're going to go all the way down to the stop sign, way down there.
Yep.
And you can maintain a constant rate of speed as you're going by these side roads. But as you're driving along here, you see the side roads. You want to look through the bushes, kind of like as far left and far right as you can see, so if anyone's going to run through those stop signs, you'll have plenty of time to respond.
So just looking down the streets, or looking down those side streets before, you reach those
Yeah,
intersections.
like I'm already starting to look.
Yeah.
That way then you have a chance to avoid a collision.
Yeah.
If somebody runs through a stop sign. It's happened a couple times here in this area too, where they don't stop.
Oh, of course.
And then we're going to turn left at the stop sign.